Hey, how's it going out there today, everybody? Coming to you today to talk about a 2019 Mack Anthem. What if I told you you could get this truck with 0 down? I would say I'm very skeptical. Price on this, $95,000 they're asking for this truck. 393,000 miles. So it says 0 down payment rate starting as low as 7%. Also says extended warranty available up to 1,000,000 miles. I don't know. You'd have to call them and talk to them, but just saying, it's there if you want to call and talk to them about it. I really like those trucks, though. That's a good looking truck. I'll give them that. I dig the interiors. I really like the looks on those trucks. You get a lot of Volvo engineering in there, so probably pretty good ride, pretty good truck, I would imagine. But yeah, I dig the looks on those.